Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin and the recent pump that we are having right here. We jumped from 108,000 back to $114,000 and it looks like we are basically breaking out. We see the last high here, the last lower high was at around 113,800 and we already are pushing further right now, which is quite amazing for Bitcoin and also for the altcoins. As we can see here, my Bitcoin trade 9.5k in the profits, which is nice. My account also rebounding. We went with this account, we started with 20k, we went up to 210k. Then on the recent crash, my account went to almost 25, 30k. So went down almost 85%. So you need to be very, very careful in the crypto space. The market is very volatile. And even now, guys, unfortunately, I see that the RSI is getting overbought. So it might be a good decision to take some profits. Maybe I'll open some hedge short positions. Let's see. We will find out in today's video, so make sure you stay tuned until the end. For now, Bitcoin looks like it's going for a new high. Let's see. Next price target will be basically somewhere around this area, the 117k, and afterwards with a breakout towards a new all-time high. Let's see if that will happen. It will be very bullish for all the altcoins and all the Bitcoin bulls out there. Now let's talk about a little bit about Ethereum here. We can see my trade 37k in the profits, which is quite nicely. Ethereum also went to $4,200 just a couple of minutes ago, and after it found some resistance there, so we need to be careful right here. This zone is very important that we break above. Right now it looks like we are kind of forming a inverse head and shoulders, which is usually a bullish pattern, and the breakout of this pattern would be uh, around a $400 move, guys. So this Ethereum breakout might bring us up to 4,700 if we will break out. But for now, we can see here, unfortunately, the RSI is also getting a little bit overbought here on the 1 hour. Let's check the 4 hourly as well, and we can see we are not overbought yet, so we might have a little bit of a room there. And also the RSI, look at this, guys, the RSI is forming also an inverse head and shoulders pattern, so we might push a little bit harder. I think the market, after this shakeout, they took out all of the weekend, so we might go for higher price targets right now. So I hope you didn't sell. Even I was a little bit struggling with my decisions because my account dropped so much from 210k down to 30k, and I was even thinking, should I just cut my losses and still take 10k profit? But then I was like, okay, the market is very oversold. I was looking forward to a nice bullish breakout, and as we can see, it's coming right now, which is quite nice. We can see here Ethereum, very nice profits. IMX, very nice profits. Bit still a little bit behind here, so we will have to see. But I still have big hopes on crypto AI, so I think that will pump as well very soon. Besides that, I still have some position like Sui, but Sui I'm also not worried at all. I think Sui will probably even this week go back in the profit, so that would be quite nice. And as you can see here, my liquidation price is super low on these positions. That's why I'm not worrying so much about them. Then we have here my sold position, which is over 40k in a profits. That's quite amazing. I will take definitely some profits soon on this position. I would say at around $255. I would sell around 100 sold. Let's see, order placed. Because I want to take some more profits, guys. It's never bad to take profits. You can always find new opportunities in the market. The market's always moving up and down, so there are endless opportunities. Now it's much better to protect our capital. So let's see, should I close some of my positions here? What else do I have? My link position here, which is also massively in the profits. Just from $2,000, we made over $12,000, which is also very nice. So I'm still gonna hold it. Maybe I'll just take some profits just so I can cover the fees. So you can see here, these were the fees on this position. So we will have to see. For now, I still think I'm gonna hold it until tomorrow, and tomorrow I might take a decision. Doge also pumping very nicely. I already realized here 3.3k on this position, which is quite nice. So over 12k in profits just from the Doge trade, which is quite amazing. Besides that, VeChain. Actually, I want to buy some more VeChain, guys. I'm so bullish on VeChain, you cannot believe it. So bullish, and basically right now we basically confirmed this support zone right here. Now it's time for a breakout. We can see here also a W formation forming, which is usually a very bullish. So let's buy some more VeChain. All right, another $1,000 worth of VeChain confirm, and I'm also gonna set my take profit on this trade. So let's take some more profits, guys. I would take some profits at 2.45 cents on VeChain. I would sell 25% of my position at a nice profit. That's nice and healthy. Taking profits is always a good idea. Now let's see what else can we find in the market. We can see here most of the altcoins are up 2-3%, so quite a nice day for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the altcoins as well. We are having a rebound. Market is looking quite green. Congratulations to all of you. If you have been buying the dip a couple of days ago, you are probably very nice in the profits. Let's also talk a little bit about Solana. Solana, $211 right here, and we can see we are on major resistance as well, and also looks like an inverse head and shoulders here, guys, for Solana. So this one, it's a little bit of a tilted one. It might break out very soon. We are basically on the verge of the breakout right here. So this might bring us back above this trend line here at $230 for Solana. Maybe, who knows, also $2,000 very soon. It's definitely possible. But right now, we had this nice trend line here, and it was holding for many times. Just the previous dip, unfortunately, it didn't manage to hold. So right now, this will also be a resistance line. So we will have to go above that, and after we can go for new all-time highs for Solana as well. And guys, if you want to trade like you see me do here on the VX platform, you can do technical analysis. You have all the charts, you have over 1,000 tokens and you can trade, and very good liquidity and spreads. Make sure to check out the link in the description from VX, where you can grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Take advantage of this opportunity and open an account and start trading today. You can start with $10, $100, $1,000, $100,000, and millions of dollars depending on your portfolio. You can start today and make amazing profits and trades in the space. The market is getting hot right now, so you don't want to miss out on this opportunity right here. Solana also not overbought yet, which is quite nice. So I think we will run a little bit higher here for the altcoins. But Bitcoin is getting overbought, so we need to be also a little bit careful what is going to happen here. Bitcoin is getting overbought, so let's see what we will do. For now, we can still go a little bit higher. So let's see. I'm still betting on a breakout above the 114k, and after go back to the 117. That was it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profit. See you all again next time. Bye.